Today we will talk about a man and his choices. I do some research on social media about this man, and I asked ChatGPT about him, so you can even understand more of him and interpret his actions objectively, because in investment area he is wrong nearly all the time, and internet loves him reversely. Just yesterday I see Jim Cramer. The man is Jim Cramer. I'm not blame of his actions. I'm not attack him. I'm not support him. I'm not supporting him. I just if you don't know the investment and finance, you should think about you and your future always. You should never ever listen to a man or a corporation or government. Just you have information and do what you like, because fanaticism, believing in religiously in some things is not healthy. If Jim has wrong choices about finance and stock pickings or crypto or any other things, investment assets, etc., yeah, you should heard of him, you should listen to him, but no, just everybody, nobody cannot make mistakes 100% in their life. So if you go in a test, you cannot do the test, complete the test 100% wrong. That's what I think. Jim Cramer says the market in September is normally weak. Whenever he opens his mouth, opposite things happen. This is like ideology in the internet, actually. So we will see. We will maybe in October. I will be here, hopefully, and we will see about the Jim Cramer is right or wrong. We will see in this video Jim Cramer how much wrong decisions have been made and the right ones, and he has a whole lot of wrong ones. Let's get into it. Last meme. Okay, last meme. But it's kind of funny, like, yeah, when you go all in a stock, Jim Cramer says he is bullish, and you like, oh no, my stock is going down. Okay. Jim advised to not buy Tesla during its IPO. 2010, 15 years ago. Tesla's IPO. IPO is a first initial public offering, like first time anyone can purchase the underlying companies shares and be partnered with them, be ownership with them. When the price was $13. Horrendous. Yeah. August 24th, just 1 or 2 weeks ago, this things, because I go deep in and I saw Jim Cramer. I didn't know back then. 13. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm here. Palantir not even waiting until the bell to run to $200. Very strong, and called it up. Called the exact up, because whenever signal is so high on traders go hard as they can, meaning they can use leverage, they can borrow shares, all kind of instrument they can use. And some Jim Cramer's tweets and comments on his show is so powerful. Internet know that. Of course, that's just not an internet, because some whales, big investors, like people who has enormous capital in the stock or whatever it is, Jim Cramer says something and they dump it. Say something bad, they go in. Just a couple of clicks, hundreds of millions of dollars of orders go in. Not many people, but there will be some. I don't know it, but I sense it, because in crypto you can see the ledger, you can see what transaction occurs in a wallet, and whether the wallet owner buys and sells. You can see the time, size, entry and exit price. But stock market, you cannot see if the investor shares with the public. Yeah, Palantir now. We will go before and after. And yeah, it's like top, bottom, consolidation area. It just waits, because Palantir goes hell of a ride with the Hood, Robinhood, couple of stock, Coinbase, Palantir was in my radar, but I did not expect that move, actually. So yeah, Netflix. But I remembered this tweet. Netflix buy like all-time highs in 2022, January 2022, and that area. Bottomed in May 2022, and then, like, oh my god, like 10x And Netflix is so liquid, you cannot even imagine like how much Netflix market cap. I don't know, $1 trillion. I don't know, but you can in and out quickly. What a chance! So what should we do? What should we expect in trading? In short-term gains, you should not do if you're not specialist, if you're not your, if it's not, it's your job, how you live, you should not do it. You should, if you love Netflix, if you, for example, I say no investment advice, I can say that. You should buy whatever stock or index fund or whatever sector, whatever crypto, whatever hard assets, I don't know, small, step by step, weekly, monthly purchase. Maybe your country has high inflation, you should try borrowing, but you need to be careful. If you borrow and you purchase some assets, it's a good debt. If you borrow money and you go take a vacation or go have a dinner, fancy restaurants, no, don't borrow. Borrowing is costly right now. I think that's what I think. So Jim Cramer is always wrong. In a short term, in this example, he is like, I can't not say the word, but idiotic choice. You can say that. I don't say that. But in a very short term, yeah. But in the consolidation in here, like in Palantir, it should not, let me remind you, it should not go up like Netflix. No, that's not like the things works. No, maybe yes, skyrockets, $1,000 per share. Palantir I talk about, I don't know, but right now, if you listen Jim Cramer, buy here, Netflix, buy here, oh my god, like 70% down, like no, buy here, monthly, buy here, dollar cost average. You're no longer average cost is like, I don't know, 650. No, it's like $400. Buy here, buy heavily here, buy until your target hits. What is your target? 50% profit, or maybe 5 years of consistently buying process and sell whatever the price is after 5 years. You should do the plan. I do my plan in a long term, just trying to see the nuances in the trends, how the markets goes interest rates, because um, market players are desperate to have news. Sometimes some news are so effective to your assets value priced wrongly. You should be aware, I think. Yep. Meta. Jim Cramer, I remembered. Just 2022. What was in 2022? I can tell you, 2022, Federal Reserve of the United States of America, interest rates go higher and higher nearly every meeting, and interest rates so high so that the investors cannot risk, will not willing to risk of their capital, so they park the capital to interest rate or bonds, high yield bonds, because it's a guarantee. If it's a guarantee success, you go after it. If, for example, for myself, I go in YouTube. That's not my job. That's not my profession. That's a hobby. This I see this like a co-learning process with a couple of friends, because right now there's just family and friends, so many of them even just strongly support, but it's these things like not interest to them. I understand them. They suggest something, I listen to them. It's like that. If YouTube success or another success is guaranteed, people go after it. I do what I really like, and sometimes success is not a factor in life. We should not see the life whether we are successful or not, because success is a sociological thing. Whole another topic. Go back to this inverse Cramer. Yeah, cool account, inverse Cramer. You should follow. Meta, I remember, go so much down, so much, like recording, yes, nearly 20 minutes. It's kinda a little bit long, but I want to that way. I hope you won't bore, but I enjoy it right now. Yeah. Another dump, another this is the I remember the headlines, like this is like a dot-com bubble, like a pop, or mortgage crisis, like a pop, like a it's over. The headlines, like in the media, social media, it's over. Fed is here, interest rates are high as long as it can, so investing in technology is over. I remember that. You can see nearly 10x. It's Meta. It has Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and other initiatives. Oculus, what was that? Quest, VR, AR. Interesting stuff. Because companies' fundamentals are not changing. Fundamentals are not changing in here, not changing in here, not changing in here. But the future price is important for these kind of graphs, charts, and that's why I tell to you, technical analysis is men's astrology, unfortunately. Yeah. He cried. He says really sorry at the bottom. Market says this gotta be it. This gotta be it. It can go any down. We can go buy all the shares we can, all the options, call options we can, and we surge up and we hold it. This chart says that we hold it, we're not selling. This is the bottom, and quarter after quarter after quarter, you see still Meta trying to go, I don't know, $1,000 per share. Can't go. It's trying to, but sometimes company do right things, sometimes company do wrong things. Sometimes macroeconomy would not let you to grow, but maybe. Going up. Yeah, I remembered. Yeah, if you remembered, you know it. Cramer called anyone holding crypto an idiot during the peak of the FTX collapse. FTX was a cryptocurrency exchange located in Bahamas, and the founder and CEO was arrested. He's still in jail. He's sentenced. How many years? I don't know. But FTX go under, and the customers, most customers cannot get their funds because I should tell you about this, because cryptocurrencies are liquid assets. You can manipulate the price just with the buy and sell orders in some cases, and whenever sell orders colliding to each other, sell orders go on and on and on and on. Everybody wanna sell, no matter what the price is, and cryptocurrency exchanges out of cash. That's like a bank run. It's not a good thing, but cryptocurrency exchanges sometimes experience that. So FTX go under, and it's not good. So I remember Bitcoin was down like yeah, all direct bottom is this. Direct bottom is this. $16,000. Let me direct bottom. $16,000. I remember that moment. I will not play the video. Look at Solana, $11 right now, 200. Who knows? Who knows? Nobody can know. So just go buy some, buy that. Make diversified portfolio to your gut head straight. Keep calm. Good peace of mind is really important thing. All those things, many things, I cannot go into because video will be so long, and I don't want it to be. These were wrong ones, near top and near bottom ones. Interesting. This tells you this man's signals are so powerful, but not 100% of time. Who sets up the game? I don't know. Why that kind of trades opens and closes, I don't know, but internet allows him in a different way. He says end of 2024, just 9 months ago, end of 2024, he says to sell GameStop. If you know GameStop, you know the price surge in 2021. Sell GameStop and AMC Entertainment stocks. And let me show you that the price end of the 2024 like $33. If you sell this exact top, he is right, man. Until April, $20 per share. Where was the Roaring Kitty, man? Where was the Roaring Kitty? I don't know. Roaring Kitty, who is Roaring Kitty? Another video. We can discuss about him another video. This search is about him. Maybe someday all the GameStop moves, what that meant, I will explain maybe if you want to, maybe sooner. Oh my, no one going to comment, like, yeah. Family and friends, yeah, he was right. Whoever sells the GameStop over there to April, good for you, man. Brilliant. And you should buy. According to chart right now, not investment advice. Not investment advice. Because that line is protected like hell. This is not a GME stock analysis, but technical analysis, like, but $20 line supported like 1.5 years long. You should see whenever they see charts like this. And I ask ChatGPT about him. Sometimes he's wrong, sometimes he's right. What about his right ones? We can not see easily in a social media. Yeah, wrong side. ChatGPT says he famously encouraged buying Bernstein stock in 2028. Bernsteins and Lehman Brothers. These companies go under, bankrupt. So you should know, whomever you listen to, and his past, his or her past. Silicon Valley Bank, we all forget. 2023 crash. There will be there was be a bank run, and everybody panicked and go the get the cash from out of the bank, and Cramer urged viewers to buy SVB stock. SVB go under. Days later, First Republic Bank. I know. First Republic collapsed as well. Not good, but yeah. Nvidia, he's been right about Nvidia. So despite Cramer, Nvidia go number one. Whatever goes, goes. You should not fanaticize yourself with the idea, persons. Yeah, he's right. What should you do? He calls Nvidia goes up. Yeah, Nvidia went up and up and up and up. And if you do not believe, you short Nvidia, short it until you out of cash, out of collateral, and you bankrupt. So diversification is key. I think that's what I think. You can tell me that can I be a billionaire with diversification? Absolutely not. But you do not lose what you have, or lose less. If you're lucky, if you prepared, win more, but not like Forbes top 10 billionaires type of thing. No, this is so hard things to do. It builds like trust, governmental networks, global influence, global value. These kind of things are so important. Yeah, that's that. I ask for extensive information. He was in a hedge fund. He like select these movers like Palantir. Recently, I just told you about Applovin. I don't know it. Robinhood and Coinbase. Park. I don't know the synonyms. I recently realized what that means. And yeah, he was right about Park stocks, like a FANG, Facebook, Amazon, and Netflix and Google. And last of all, I talk about self-fulfilling prophecy. Just Google it and open it, and I can read it about it. Self-fulfilling prophecy is an expectation, either positive or negative, about a people or events that may affect a person's behavior, causing those expectations to be fulfilled. Meaning, everybody expects Jim Cramer is wrong. Jim Cramer is certainly wrong. It's everybody believed that. Influenced everybody's actions. Everybody's actions go down, so other people beliefs cause them to other people actions reinforce our beliefs, and this the cycle is called self-fulfilling prophecy. Thank you very much. I enjoyed it very much. If you enjoyed it too, how nice.